Hey, welcome to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Teresa.
Hey, and we are here at the TROUTDALE Super RV Show, or the RV Super Show, that's what they're calling it. You know, we were really bummed that we couldn't make it down to Tampa this year, and so we thought we'd check out some RV shows in our local area, and we found this one, the TROUTDALE RV Super Show, and we're going to take a look at this rig right behind us because it's really the only rig that's at the Super Show. So come on in and let's take a look.
Ooh, this is a nice trailer. Woo! Look at the chairs. The chairs are very nice. And there's a lot of cupboard space. I like the couch and the big window in the back. Good sink. Wow, I mean, and these are nice. Oh my gosh, it comes with...
It's totally stocked. That's amazing.
Totally stocked.
Yeah, we've been to a lot of RV shows. We've never seen a trailer.
And they even gave us toothpicks.
Wow, toothpicks?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Wow.
I like the nice double sink.
Yeah, double sink, a little bit of a little oven, and the refrigerator.
What's that, a Dometic? Yeah,
Oh, look. Look.
Wow, it even has wine?
A wine for us.
Wow. You never get that at a regular RV show.
No, not at all. Oh, and here's a nice pantry.
That's a big
Oh
pantry.
my gosh, it's fully stocked.
A fully stocked pantry.
A fully stocked pantry.
This RV dealer really loves us, I think. Yeah. All right, so let's what else we got?
Just the bathroom and the bedroom.
Huh.
More storage.
Let's turn the light on. There we go.
A nice. Oh look, they've made it look so homey. They've put someone's men's
I like
clothes.
how the little touches, like the things on the wall and
And the hanging jackets to look like it's lived in.
Yeah.
Huh, say, do you like it? You think we should take it?
Yeah, it even comes with a dog step for the bed. That's pretty cool. So
I turned it up.
So we're gonna check out the bathroom. That's a good sized bathroom, you know. The shower's plenty big.
Dad, you gonna eat these ribs?
Yeah. Hey, and the vendors at this show, they're amazing. Look at that. The guy brought me ribs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Hold on, let me.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh yeah. This is one of the best RV shows we've ever been to. All right, yeah, the shower's really got a lot of room, a lot of headroom. I mean, I'm 5'11", and it's fit me pretty good. Nice skylight in here. Whew. Yeah, it looks like they've done a lot of upgrades and listening to, what customers are looking for in their RV today, because I mean, even like the faucets and stuff, none of that's stock. Looks like they've done a lot of improvements in here. You know what I really like about this trailer?
What do you like about this trailer?
I
love it.
Me too. I like the dinette. They're moving to these tables rather than, those dinettes.
Yes, and it slides out too.
Yeah, I saw that it's I think it slides out on this side.
Yeah.
But
it would fit all 6 of us when we go camping.
Yeah. No, this is great. This is a great RV. I tell you what, if you're ever, up in the Pacific Northwest around this time of year, I think you should check out, the amazing TROUTDALE RV show, because, whew, I've never seen anything like it. They've really outdone themselves with the one trailer that they have at the show. But they really
made it homey.
They really did a great job with this trailer, and I just can't say enough. Oh, we didn't look in those cabinets there.
Oh my gosh, they already have camping mugs for us.
Wow, camp casual mugs.
Just regular cups. Oh, And Camp Casual Place.
Camp Casual Place. Yeah, the thing is just fully stocked, you know. I like how Keystone is going away from the boxy valances and going to some nice stuff. You know, lots and lots of, lots of accent lighting, you know, around the trailer. Even up in here. A nice entertainment center. Yeah, it's got a, is that a smart TV?
Yes.
Oh, it comes with a Good Sam membership.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got your standard RV radio.
And
comes
your
equipped with flashlights already.
flashlights to take the dogs out for a poop walk.
Well, you know, the whole RV community is very dog friendly, and so, you know, and they, in fact, even here at the RV show, they encourage your pets to come along.
How'd you like it, Sade?
See, do you like the video or the
Trailer?
Do you like the trailer, Sadie?
You want to go camping?
Oh, she got her camping gear up. All right, well, hey, we've looked at the Keystone, what is this model, the 2890?
Yep.
RLW, RL standing for rear living. And, well, I tell you, we're just happy to come to the show. You know, next time maybe we could get to Tampa and see, you know, maybe one or two more RVs, but I tell you what, this show is just incredible.
Yeah.
You know, the service has been really nice.
The parking was so easy.
Parking is absolutely
And they don't charge you at all.
amazing. Yeah, free parking at the show. The vendors. I mean, everything has just been wonderful right here at the Troutdale Super RV show. So,
See you next time.
yeah, if you're ever in this area, come on down.
We'll show you.
Yeah. Hey, and on a side note, for those of you that like to follow RV channels, you know, follow the Happy Place Diaries. If you haven't already done so, hit that thumbs up, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the video or to the channel. But most important, share the video with a friend. We really appreciate it when you share our videos and get the word out there that we're showing some RV content. Okay, so live from the, well, not so live, from the RV Super Show in Troutdale, Oregon. We'll see you next time.